OET 2.0 Day 1 Orientation, Edu India 6 batch. We will be getting into the basics, but then it's very, very important. And if you have already attempted the exam, you will know why you have scored good in your exam. And learning process. This is not very clear. I could not get my PPT. I just took a screenshot. You need not worry about this. I am just briefing you the process, how we have the learning process. Step 1, attend the live session and then watch the video. It doesn't mean after attending the live session, you should not watch the video. If you have attended the session, you have to watch the video. So that's a revision for you. Okay, that will confirm a lot of things. Second, write down strategies and tips with the examples. With the examples, I tell you, write down whatever you can as you watch the video for the first time. Second, then you need not again watch that video. That's another benefit. Okay, you will have your short notes. Step 2, attempt reading part A 15 minutes or reading part B, reading part C, depending on which video you watched or which session you attempted. Okay, then refer answer key. After you attempt this in 15 minutes, refer answer key. Enter your score in the self-assessment form. You have done it in 15 minutes. What was your score? Maybe you could not complete even 12 questions and you got only 7 score. It's cool. Just enter it in the self-assessment form. Okay. Step 3, analysis of the text. That particular text you have to, the paragraphs you have to do the analysis, which will teach you how to do the analysis. Don't worry about it. Write down the sequence. We'll teach you how the sequence, what is the sequence of your text or what are the sequences between text, different texts. Write down topic, sentence, and keyword. We'll help you to identify the topics and understand the paragraph structure, reason out the mistakes, take notes and concerns. In the sense, reason out what mistakes you made, then take notes and concerns. What are your concerns? What are your problems? You have to share those concerns and problems with me so that I can customize the session so it becomes useful for you. Then make a list of keywords, stem words of the question statement, the keywords and stem words, which will teach you. And you have to make a list of them in your notebook. Then step 4, if need be, watch the video again. You will understand better, if need be. Step 5, record your realizations, learning, concerns. Record in the sense, either can record as an audio or a script or as a video, whatever you want to. Just record your realizations. I told you, no, okay, I understood these things. I clarified these misconceptions, or I got a clarity regarding this point, or this is the skill I find that it would be very useful for me to identify the answers. All those are the realizations. Then your concerns.